Alright guys, here we go. I'm taking off in 3, 2, 1. Now this is a race that I created for Smoky Mountain Drone Race. Our third drone race that we're having, or third event. Hope you guys like it. This is my fastest lap. So you go up, down this tube, circle around to the gate, spiral the other way, ladder up, ladder down, back to the start. Here we go, one more time. Oh, messed up a little bit there. I'm not perfect at this, but I'm holding them tight, trying to keep it smooth. And there we go, lap 3.